If you need to insert the Mac command symbol in Microsoft Word on a PC, this is one of the fastest and easiest ways to do it. In this tutorial, I'll show you the exact keyboard shortcut to turn a simple code into the command symbol in just a second. This is super useful if you're making a document, a tutorial, a cheat sheet, or anything where you need the Mac command icon to appear correctly in Word. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your PC and click into the document where you want the command symbol to appear. Make sure your cursor is placed exactly where you want the symbol inserted. This part matters because the conversion will happen right where your typing cursor is active. Now, type 2318 using your keyboard. Don't add any spaces before or after it. Just type the number code exactly as shown, 2318. As soon as you've typed it, press Alt and X on your keyboard at the same time. On many PCs, Word uses this shortcut to convert a Unicode character code into the matching symbol. So when you press Alt plus X, Word will instantly change 2318 into the Mac command symbol, which looks like this, command. And that's it. You've now inserted the Mac command symbol in Microsoft Word on a PC without needing to copy and paste anything from the internet. It's a really simple trick, but it can save you a lot of time if you need the symbol often. If it doesn't work right away, make sure you're typing the code directly into Microsoft Word and not into another program first. Also check that your cursor is still in the text area and that Word is active when you press Alt plus X. If you're using a different keyboard layout or an older version of Word, the shortcut may behave a little differently, but in most cases, this method works perfectly. You can also use this same style of shortcut for other special characters in Word, so once you learn it, it becomes a very handy skill for editing documents faster. Whether you're creating instructions, designing a class handout, or just adding a polished Mac-style reference to your file, this is the quickest way to do it. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more easy tech guides, Microsoft Word tips, and productivity shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.